Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we learn panel grid in Visualforce. Let's see one example. Here I am create one page. After that, I am write here apex panel grid. In that, first attribute is columns. I am write here columns 3 and ID of panel grid is the grid. Inside panel grid, now I am add atoms. For that, one tag is available in Visualforce. Name is output text and value is first and ID of output text value first and ID is the first. And simply copy this and paste here. Value is second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7. Here ID is the second, third, fourth, fifth, 6 and 7. Save this. We can see panel grid is display but it does not show border. Simply add here attribute in panel grid border 3 and save this. Now we can see border is available. Here we can see 5 display in own cell own cell. Now I want to display this 5 in this fourth cell. Then one tag is available in Visualforce fourth. Name of tag is apex panel group and inside this panel group tag add this fourth and fifth element. Now save this. We can see here fourth and 5 display in same cell. In this way we can create panel grid system in Visualforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.